I learned a long-lasting fire literally starts when you layer the wood on top of each other. So you go this way, and one goes that way, and it just goes back and forth. Make sure you get some dry hay or something dry. You can get paper. Super easy to catch. Sometimes I'll wrap this in paper. This year my goal is actually to be able to start a fire without using a lighter. So we'll see how that goes. Yes, honey. Hold on. Starting that up. Let's go. You see it starting to catch. It's gonna slowly start to get to those sticks on top and rise, and also it's going to go to the bottom. It also creates like a nice airflow. So I love being able to start a fire this way. This has been the best way that I've started fires. Try this at home.